logarithmic function. Now we'll teach you differentiation of logarithmic function. Differentiation of logarithmic functions. In this topic, the differentiation of logarithmic functions. The first time, the given functions using differentiation of logarithmic functions. If the functions first time discuss the differentiation of logarithmic function, where if the functions are given variable के power variable, if the given problem here the functions are in power, that is लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन का डिफरेंस, लॉगरिथम का यूज हम लोग किसी फंक्शन का डिफरेंस करते समय वहाँ करते हैं जब कोई फंक्शन के पावर फंक्शन गिवन हो या कोई भी वैल्यू गिवन वैल्यू प्रोडक्ट में या डिवाइड में मैक्सिमम गिवन हो, कई फंक्शन का मल्टीप्लाइड किया गया हो, कई फंक्शन का डिवाइड किया गया, न्यूमरेटर बाई डिनोमिनेटर में कई फंक्शन अप्लाई किए हो, क्रिटिकल मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड क्वाइटेंस फंक्शन हो, रेशनल फंक्शंस हो, या फंक्शन के पावर फंक्शंस हो, तो वेयर डिफरेंशिएशन यूजिंग बाय लॉगरिथम, बिकॉज लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएशन नॉट फाइंड. फॉर एग्जांपल, if a given function y is equal to f1x whole power f2x, if the given problem in this type y is equal to f1x is equal to f2x, then the differentiation also find by logarithmic functions. First time given functions are write down and taking log on both side, फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग गिवन फंक्शन को राइट डाउन करेंगे एंड लॉगरिथम टेकिंग बोथ साइड एंड यूजिंग द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लॉगरिथम, log of x power n is known as log of x power n is known as n log of x. First we discuss same conditions, taking log of y is equal to log of y log of f1x power f2x. Here that property are using big log of y is equal to f2x into log of f1x, that by this property, and differentiating it with respect to x or by differentiation of implicit function. Here now apply the differentiation of implicit function. The differentiation of log y is known as 1 upon y, but differentiation of implicit functions multiplied by dy by dx. That same conditions here, differentiation of product of two functions applying and find value of dy upon dx, we get the result. Means f2x into differentiation of that thing, first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function, and solving find the value of dx of y, that is known as result. Same conditions here. In this type of differentiation, the 2 points are noted. First, by property of these, Second, differentiation of implicit functions, and first time taking logarithm on both sides. Now discuss the differentiation of logarithms of the given problem. Question first: if y is equal to x power x, if y is equal to x power x, then find the value of dx of y. Now we discuss solution of this problem. Solution: given that y is equal to x power x, here the given problem function power functions, that is taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, begin dx of y is equal to log of y is equal to log of x power x. Using the property of logarithms, x power n is known as n x power n. Begin log of y is equal to x into log of x. Now differentiating it with respect to x, begin 1 upon y into dx of y is equal to differentiation of these functions by product of two functions. First function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. First function differentiation of second function. The differentiation of second function log x is known as 1 by x plus second function log x into differentiation of first function x is 1. X will be cancelled out. We get 1 upon y into dx of y is equal to 1 x will be cancelled out, 1 plus log x, the value of dx of y. Dx of y is equal to y into 1 plus log x. That's all. If the given problem taking function power functions, then always taking logarithm on both sides. Next problem. If question number second, if y is equal to sin x power cos x, sin x power cos x, then find the value of dx of solution. Here always given function power functions, then we solving these questions first time taking log on both sides. Solution: given that y is equal to sin x power cos x, here given problems are function power functions, then we get find log both sides. Now we taking log both sides, b log of y is equal to log of sin x whole power cos x. By using the property of logarithms, we get log of y is equal to cos x into log of sin x by taking the property of log of x power n. Differentiating it with respect to x, 1 upon y into dx of y. Differentiate it by formula product of two functions, first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Cos x into differentiation of log of sin x by composite functions. Log of sin x is known as 1 upon sin x into differentiation of sin x is known as cos x plus second function log of sin x into differentiation of second function cos x is known as minus sin x. Solving, we get cos x upon sin x is known as cot x. Here will be minus multiplied by and dx of y is equal to transfer of y in RHS. Here divide in RHS by multiplied y in bracket cot x into cos x multiplied by minus, we get minus sin x into log of sin x. First, last time putting the value of y, we get dx of y is equal to the value of y sin x or cos x cot x into cos x minus sin x into log of sin x. That's all. Same process are applied. In this case,